Hi, One This Wayne. Welcome back. Got me a little something here, a little something, and I'm not sure how it all works, but it looks like a really slick idea to me. Okay, this is Cam Guardian, anti-theft device for your game cams, and you know we need those. Okay, now there should be a tool. There it is. Takes a special kind of a, not really a Torx bit, but it's got a hole in the center of it. You might see these in bathrooms and stuff on the stalls. Just simply put them in these dudes here. And that pulls out, I think. Let me loosen a little more. Boy, you gotta watch that, okay? Let's learn together, right? Okay, so this is simply flat steel. And it goes in the same slot as a webbing strap would go on your camera. And of course it wraps around the tree. Boom. And take your handy dandy tool. Now this, I believe, is better than a cable. That's my opinion. Because this, if you cinch that up tight on the tree, on the cable, I believe that you get bolt cutters on it. But this, I don't think you can. I don't think you can get under that with bolt cutters or snips or anything. So anyway, that's a nice item. If you've got cams out there, you want to protect them, go ahead and get you a few of these. Bye now.